Welcome to Mukunda Foods, the kitchen tech company. We're here to revolutionize the way commercial kitchens cook food. Did you know the UK restaurant industry is worth over £40 billion and is expected to rise by 32.1%? However, crippling labour shortages threaten profit margins for many. In the UK, there are over 200,000 vacancies in hospitality. This means you have to search harder for qualified candidates and could end up relying on untrained and unskilled staff, which compromises your product quality and increases wastage. By automating key procedures such as stirring, tossing, mixing, frying, measured dispensing and kneading, our machines can successfully cater for 80% of the world's cuisine. Here at Mukunda Foods, we develop products that automate the strenuous and high-skill processes of commercial kitchens. We cater for all types of establishments, including QSRs, dark kitchens, cafes, bars and lounges. So, why automate your kitchen with Mukunda? Well, the benefits are numerous. You will be able to cook signature dishes designed by your head chef that will taste great no matter who makes them. You won't have to rely on skilled manpower, which can be hard to find, to build a thriving restaurant. You can ensure a consistent quality and taste at all times, even in the very busiest periods where a traditional kitchen would crumble under the pressure. It's easy to scale up and expand your business while ensuring all branches retain the same high quality. Finally, you will see an improved satisfaction rating as customers know what to expect every time they taste your food. Mukunda has already installed automations in over 3,000 kitchens across 22 countries, and we're trusted and recommended by a range of global food brands. We're always looking to grow our network and want to help your restaurant reach its full potential. Contact us today for more information on how we can revolutionize your business. Mukunda Foods, your kitchen automation partner for today and beyond.